So, Wolfie, this is for you. We're going to figure out what kind of dog Wolfie is. What kind of dogs he is. How do you feel about that, Wolfie? Is this something that excites you?
No, I think I'm having second thoughts.
Are you a little nervous about this procedure?
Talking to her, and she's making some really good points. Yeah.
What do you have anything to say to your fans about this? About this type of thing? About finding out where you come from?
You put so much work into it. I just wanted to stop you before you kept going. Aubrey just broke one of the most.
I realize you have a lot to say in the matter, so we're just gonna get started. All right. So you have to take these swabs and swab the inside of his cheek here. I'm gonna pass this off to my second cameraman, woman. Queen, can you come here and help me? I just want to get this. Well, you don't have to, just film. Alright. Here, just get.
You taking a picture or
No,
what?
you're covering it. It's already video. It's already recording. This is the first one. We have to do these twice. Okay, lay down. Yeah, good boy. It's okay.
He looks thrilled.
And the inside of his gums will be rubbed for 10 seconds.
Who are you recording this for?
So, oh, sorry.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Okay, good boy.
Good boy, Benny.
Good boy.
This is really weird to record this.
Good boy. Okay. Oh, good boy. Okay. Okay, relax. Okay. Okay. How many seconds is that?
You're good.
There's one.
You have to let it dry.
How do you feel about that one? You ready for one more? Okay. So we have another one. We'll spare you the drama. But after this, after we send it out in 2 weeks' time, we should know what he is.
You have to do 2 weeks.
Nothing's more important